Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change default search engine on Opera browser. In case you want to change the default search engine in Opera browser, you need to first open Opera browser. After that, click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select settings. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus P on the keyboard to open Opera settings window. After that, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one search engine section. After that, use this one search engine used in the bar. Click on this one drop down menu. Here you can select Google, Yahoo, Duck, DuckDuckGo, Amazon, Bing or Wikipedia according to your choice. That's all about this video. Bye.